Rodolphe Lamez. I am the CEO of Vinexpo Asia company. The relationship between Vinexpo and Hong Kong is a long-lasting history. First edition was in 1998, so it's not yesterday. More than 25 years, Vinexpo has always been the largest hub in Hong Kong for the wine and spirit industry. We have 35 wine-producing countries that are here. We have South Africa, we have Argentina, Chile, of course France, Italy, Portugal, many countries. Reaching Hong Kong is easy wherever you are in Asia. Hong Kong for me is where I want the show to be the gateway to mainland China. If my client wants to address the Chinese market through my shows, it will happen only in Hong Kong.
We make wine in the Yunnan area. This is the first time in Hong Kong. We had a great success with the wines. This relationship between Hong Kong and the mainland China, very important for us, for our wines to be here.
We are the world's largest wine producer. Hong Kong's very special to us. The government's very, very favourable policy towards wine with no tax on wine. Hong Kong's a wonderful hub. You know, what we also have here are some incredibly professional wine importers, distributors and retailers.
Hong Kong has always been the place to be. Hong Kong is very central. But more than that, Hong Kong as well has always been very mature market with a lot of wine lovers. And that is what makes Hong Kong a little bit more special.
I'm so happy to be back in Hong Kong, the city of mega events, mega trade show. Vinexpo Asia is the perfect gateway for trading wine in Asia with mainland China, but the rest of Southeast Asia as well. So let's go to Vinexpo, let's drink wine together and let's enjoy business together.
Cheers!
Cheers!